welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I prepped my nails and today we're just gonna go with Wing It Life and freestyle this whole thing. I just grabbed some random colors that would go really well together, and I just really free-handed this and winged it like to the max. So hopefully y'all like the final result. So primeramente vamos a poner el base coat. Alright, we gotta cure that base coat for about 60 seconds or 30 seconds depending on your LED or UV light. After I cured that, then I just went in with a couple of different colors. So first I went in with Saviland, a couple of different shades. One was a pink one and one was kind of like iridescent. It's called Dream Purple, and I mixed them both together because I kind of wanted just them to have an intertwine of colors, and kind of just mixed that and patted that where I wanted it to be. I did use the 3-in-1 from Burano because their glitters are very sticky for some reason compared to the solid colors, so I just thought it'd be a lot easier to work with. For my next nail, I wanted to use these holographic stickers that I had, and I wanted it to kind of like peek through the polygel. So strip by strip, I put the stickers on my nails, and make sure that you have like a clean surface, because I actually tried doing this with just the base coat on the bottom and I had to like rub it off because the stickers weren't sticking, which is really weird, but whatever. I put them on a clean surface, so I rubbed my finger with some rubbing alcohol, and then I placed the stickers where I wanted them to be one by one. Then after I finished with that, I grabbed my polygel and just put a nice big bead and spread that on the nail. But look how pretty that holographic sticker is. So pretty. Of course, it can't be a set made by me without some ombre going on. So I did use the Gershon polygel, the nice sparkly pink that I used in a previous set, and I just wanted to kind of like blend that in. Now I realized that when I was blending it in that this color was a little too light for that specific nail, and it kind of just got lost because, you know, it's glitter, it's not a solid color. So if you're gonna try this, maybe try it like with a different color. But other than that, it didn't come out too bad. It came out pretty cute. I wanted the holographic stickers to peek out, not really like be so obvious, I guess, but I am definitely going to recreate this and make sure that those stickers are obvious. for my next nail, I used Dream Purple, which I am absolutely in love with from Saviland because it has like this iridescent purple. You know, it's not like these glitters that show just like holographic. It's like specifically purple, so I love that of this polygel in specific. Again, just the glitters are a little sticky, so I did end up using like the 3-in-1 system. So I used base coat for this specific nail because with slip solution or rubbing alcohol, it's just a hot mess. So next color is Lilac Purple, and I love this color. I mean, I love any purple color, so I'm kind of biased on that. But I honestly love that it kind of transitions from that Dream Purple with those purple glitters and then like the Lilac Purple, so I just love it. Lastly, just going in with this nail, I'm going to do like a nice ombre since my first ombre failed. So I'm just going in with classic white and a nice pink that I used for my thumbnail, and that's pretty much it, y'all. It was a pretty quick look. I wasn't going for something that was so complex, something that's easy to recreate, and honestly something that's fun. These are bright, vibrant colors. You don't have to be so like simple colored all the time. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Make sure you comment down below, let me know what you thought about this video. Give this video a nice big thumbs up if you liked it too. I did end up clear capping just my ombre nail because, as you all know, it's important to cap that. That way when you file, your nails are not just like, you know, getting messed up and ruining the beautiful work that you did and you put the time into. So clear cap that, cure that for 60 seconds. I did go in and cleanse my nails after, and then I buffed, shaped, and filed my nails. Yeah, I was looking for an excuse to low-key play around with my dark purple gems, so don't mind me. I'm going to go a little ham on this pinky finger and go with these rhinestones and some gems, and hope y'all enjoy. after I put a base coat on all of my nails, this is how the finished result came out. I am completely shocked by how my freestyle came out. I put some cuticle oil on, of course. Make sure you put some life back into the cuticles because you butchered them for a little bit. So just do that. But look how cute. I really like the gem placement. I love the different colors. And I texted my sister the picture of these and she's like, ooh, I like how it goes from glitter purple to like solid purple. And I'm like, hey, I actually agree with that. I like that. So let me know what y'all think down below. To all my DIY Familia, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're not a part of that DIY Familia yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. As always, nos vemos en la próxima.